Welcome to the world of minimalist lifestyle, where less is more and minimalism meets modern living. Minimalism is all about living with less but experiencing more. The benefits? It's liberating. You declutter not just your space, but also your life, focusing on what truly matters. Less space means less cleaning, less maintenance, and importantly, less environmental impact. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The challenges include limited personal space, the need for downsizing possessions, and potential social stigma. It's a lifestyle that demands creativity and adaptability. At the heart of this movement are tiny prefab homes, which have captivated the imagination of those seeking simplicity, sustainability, and freedom from the burdens of excessive material possessions. These compact dwellings are not just a testament to efficient use of space and innovative design, but also reflect a deeper desire for a closer connection with the essentials of life. Today, we embark on an exploration of 10 exceptional prefab homes that are pioneering this shift towards minimalism, providing cozy sanctuaries for individuals looking to downsize their lives, but not their quality of living. Muji Hut and Muji Yono are minimalist, prefabricated homes by Japanese retail giant Muji, known for its less is more philosophy. The Muji Hut is a compact dwelling, approximately 9 to 10 square meters in size, designed for simplicity and closeness to nature, often using materials like charred wood for durability and aesthetics. It serves as an ideal retreat for those seeking a small, serene space, be it for living, a studio, or an office. On the other hand, the Muji Yono, or House of the Field, is a larger one-story home that offers spacious living areas suitable for families, emphasizing a strong indoor-outdoor connection through large windows, sliding doors, and outdoor living spaces, all while adhering to Muji's sustainable and minimalist design ethos. The Muji Hut has been marketed with prices starting at $40,000, offering a more affordable entry into minimalist living. Meanwhile, the Muji Yono being a larger and more sophisticated dwelling, starting from $200,000 or more. NOMAD Cube. The NOMAD Cube, starting at $64,800, is a compact prefabricated micro home designed to offer a modern minimalist living solution for those seeking flexibility and simplicity. This 300 square foot home seamlessly integrates a living space, kitchen, bathroom, and loft, utilizing advanced 3D printed steel frame and CNC technologies for easy assembly with handyman-level skills. The design focuses on sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and featuring options for solar panels and rainwater collection systems to reduce environmental impact. Large windows ensure ample natural light, enhancing the sense of space and connection to the outdoors. Additionally, multiple modular NOMAD cubes can be joined together using NOMAD Connect, increasing floor space or serving as separate townhomes, providing rental income opportunities. The Backcountry Hut Company. The System 1 prefabricated single-story cabin draws inspiration from Canadian outdoor culture, making it ideal for woodland or lakeside living. With a price starting at $180,000, it has a flexible floor plan and modular elements which can accommodate families or small groups. The ground floor promotes indoor-outdoor living, while the loft provides sleeping or storage space. Based on an 18.5 by 10 foot module, you can combine cabin modules for various configurations. Assembly is often straightforward, with a skilled team taking around a week to complete. Tiny Heirloom. Tiny Heirloom takes the concept of tiny homes to new heights, with options for custom build or prefabricated. They have a variety of model homes with prices starting from $80,000. Each home is a masterpiece of stylish interiors and customizable features, proving that elegance and luxury can thrive even in compact living spaces. Escape Traveler XL. Nomadic comfort. For those bitten by the wanderlust bug, the Escape Traveler XL offers a mobile haven that combines the comforts of home with the thrill of adventure. Built on wheels, this home is for the modern nomad, providing a modern interior and all the necessities for life on the go. As one of the larger models in the Escape Traveler series, the XL version extends up to 30 feet in length, providing ample space for a full-size kitchen, a living area, a bathroom with a full shower, and sleeping accommodations for up to 8 people across its lofted and main floor bedrooms. price for this model starts at $98,000 and has custom options such as hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, and built-in storage solutions. Large windows and optional skylights flood the interior with natural light, enhancing the open, airy feel of the home, while its wheels offer the flexibility to relocate as desired. Honomobo H3. The Honomobo H3 is a striking example of contemporary prefab design, embodying minimalist aesthetics with its clean lines, large glass windows, and efficient use of space. Constructed from shipping containers, the H3 model is a testament to sustainable and innovative design, offering a versatile layout that typically includes 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom, all within a compact footprint. This model is designed to maximize natural light and promote indoor-outdoor living, making it ideal for those looking to blend modern living with environmental consciousness. The use of high-quality, durable materials ensures a long-lasting and energy-efficient home. Pricing for the H3 model starts at $275,000. Eco Capsule. The Eco Capsule is a futuristic egg-shaped home designed for the ultimate eco-conscious living experience. This innovative dwelling combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology to provide a self-sufficient living space that is ideal for off-grid living, emergency housing, or a mobile office. Equipped with solar panels, a wind turbine, and a rainwater collection system, the Eco Capsule is designed to generate its own electricity and water, highlighting its commitment to sustainability. Its compact size cleverly houses a sleeping area, a kitchenette, a workspace, and a bathroom with a shower. Despite its small footprint, the design maximizes space and comfort, featuring a smart layout and storage solutions. The price range for an Eco Capsule starts from around $100,000, reflecting its advanced self-sustaining features and the convenience of having a portable, fully equipped home that can be placed almost anywhere in the world. Kota. Created by Kota Sima, an Estonian design and architecture firm, the Kota Loft is a portable, prefabricated home that can be relocated and reassembled with minimal impact on the environment. Its striking concrete exterior is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly energy efficient, featuring quadruple glazed windows and vacuum-insulated concrete panels that ensure thermal efficiency throughout the year. The interior of the Kota Loft is a testament to minimalist living, offering a bright open-plan living space that includes a mezzanine bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living area. The home is designed to connect with nature, featuring large glass facades that provide ample natural light and scenic views. The Kota Loft is aimed at those looking for a flexible living solution without compromising on design or comfort, with price starting at $135,000. The Nestron Cube 1. The Nestron Cube is a fully fabricated minimalist home that marries sleek futuristic design with functionality and sustainability. Manufactured by Nestron, a company specializing in innovative prefab housing solutions, the Cube series features a range of compact single-story homes that are ready to live in upon delivery. These homes are distinguished by their high-tech features, including smart home systems that allow for automation of lighting, climate control, and security, all integrated through a user-friendly interface. With models varying in size from cozy studios to more spacious one-bedroom layouts. The interior of each cube is ingeniously designed to maximize space, providing a comfortable and efficient living environment. The use of durable, eco-friendly materials and the options for solar panel integration underscore Nestron's commitment to sustainability. The cube's price starts from $40,000, depending on the model and customization options. Kudo. The Kudo modular home represents a pinnacle in minimalist and flexible living, offering a sleek, contemporary design that can be adapted to various environments, from urban landscapes to secluded natural settings. Kudo's prefabricated units are designed with mobility in mind, allowing owners to relocate their home should the need arise. These units come in several sizes and configurations, including living units, pavilions, and even floating homes, all featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that provide ample natural light and a sense of openness to the compact space. Kudo homes are equipped with smart technology for energy efficiency and can be customized with additional features such as solar panels and water recycling systems to enhance sustainability. Pricing for a Kota home starts at $100,000 and can go upwards depending on the level of customization and technical specifications. The exploration of these 10 prefab homes reveals the vast potential and diverse possibilities that minimalist living offers. From sustainable, eco-friendly options and luxury tiny homes to mobile living spaces, the spectrum of choices allows individuals to tailor their living situations to their unique preferences and values. These homes not only challenge conventional notions of space and design, but also invite us to reimagine our relationship with our environment and the essentials of a fulfilling life. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, the appeal of minimalist living grows stronger, offering a path to a more sustainable, focused, and serene existence. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of the Muji Hut, the innovation of the Eco Capsule, or the mobile freedom of the Escape Traveler XL, these tiny prefab homes stand as beacons of hope and inspiration for a future where less truly is more. We invite you to reflect on these examples of minimalist living and consider how you might incorporate these principles into your own life. Which of these tiny prefab homes resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join us in the ongoing conversation about minimalism, sustainability, and the art of living well with less.